Step 3, you're going to be writing now your keyword outline paragraph. It has a 3 and it has a 4. I'm going to give you an example. Let's say the topic was Goliath relies on himself, but David trusts the Lord. So those are our 2. We've got Goliath relies self, David trusts God. There's 3 and 4. There's my 2 topics. Goliath relies on himself, David trusts in the Lord. Now that I have my topics, I want to go back and just quickly scan through the reading. And I want to look again for a quote. I want to find a quote that relates to those chosen topics. So find one for each of that. So something that displays how Goliath relied on himself, and a quote of where David trusts in the Lord. So you're following again the triac. We've got our topics, and our 2 topics are going to be just for right now so we can work through this and I can give you an example. Goliath relies on himself. Then I would look at a quote that displays that. David trusts the Lord. Find a quote that supports that. I want to restrict this paragraph. I focused my paragraph with the Goliath relies on himself and David trusts the Lord. Now I focused it. I've narrowed it down. My illustration, I go to that next. That's my quote that I just found that supports Goliath relies on himself and David trusts the Lord. You want to make sure you make a statement. Restriction is making a statement or claim about your topic. You want to explain the illustration. That's with analysis. And then your clincher is just repeating or reflecting 2 or 3 key words from your topic sentence. So in this method, don't forget, and I want you to underline them, you have a topic sentence and a clincher. Make sure that you can go back and find those topic clinchers. If you're having a little bit of trouble with this method, go back to next week, read through the triac method. It appears a little confusing because they jump around. It actually is pretty basic. You're going to have your topic, get an illustration. You want to make sure that you focus your topic. Don't have it be too broad. You're going to analyze it. You'll have your clincher, and you'll have your reasons in there too. But make sure you have a topic clincher in this part. You need your topic clincher. Not in your story sequence chart paragraph, but in 3 and 4, you need a topic and you need a clincher. And that's all we're going to do this week. We're not going to do the introduction and the conclusion. I want you to focus on 2, 3, and 4. Now, we're going to offer, meaning me, we're going to offer today, if you would like to, I'm going to send out a Zoom invitation at 12:30. You do not have to join. But if you would like to, I'm going to send out a Zoom invitation. It'll be about 20 to 30 minutes long. I will answer any questions that you have. We will discuss the upcoming debate and what that's going to look like. We're going to have that, and I am assuming, and most likely we will not be back at Co-op this year, but we're still going to hold that. And I'll have to go over how we're going to do that. It's going to be a fun, I think, activity. We're going to learn how to argue, how to make proofs, and then how to present that. So make sure you listen to the videos, watch the videos. Then we will meet today at 12:30 on Zoom, and I will answer any questions you have about the lessons. and I will go over our last section, which is the debate. Hope to see you today at 12:30.